On today's video, we're going to be looking at historical British pound futures charts. We start off on our website, ccstrade.com. We must post this disclaimer. There are risks involved in trading futures, so if you're considering trading futures, know there's suitability requirements, risk capital, etc. So pay attention to the disclaimer. There are risks involved. So you go up to quotes and charts, futures historical charts. Where were you in 1959? We ask that question because we have charts that go back that far. Every chart, every month, every year, every commodity, as far back as 1959 or until inception. So for today, we're going to look at the British pound. So you click the link to the British pound, and what's prompted is called a daily continuation chart. And what that means is for every bar, it shows the day's trading range. Okay? Now, it's called a continuation chart because what they do is they plot the most current active month, which they start with March. Okay, so they plot March till March is done. Then they continue with June till June is done. Then they continue with September and so forth and so on, and thus it's called a continuation chart. So based on this daily chart, it looks like the British pound is kind of going sideways, back and forth. If you want a little longer perspective, you could change it to a weekly chart, and all of a sudden that sideways seems subdued, and it looks like prices are pretty cheap right now. And then if you look at even longer term perspective, a monthly chart, and you see that British pound hadn't been this low. Well, this chart goes back to 2001. Hasn't been this low since prior to that. So perspective is important to look at when you're thinking about trading. Now we take it a step further. We let you hone in on one specific contract at a time because it's hard to decipher how a contract would have traded off of a monthly or weekly chart. Where this is a 2013 December chart. It shows you exactly how it traded back then. So you can study any time period, any event, any market. It's all here. In addition, we offer seasonal charts, spread charts, and live streaming quotes and charts. These live streaming charts, you can create any time period from 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 5 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. It's all there for you. So also, I compiled a list of my top 10 trading rules that I think are a must for any trader, whether you're new or seasoned. And these rules will help your trading. So go to the link below and sign up for the rules. Give us your email address and we'll send them out to you free of charge. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the recording.